The gig economy offers various avenues for flexible income, and Instacart stands out as a platform where you can earn by shopping for others. In this video, we'll delve into the details of becoming an Instacart shopper, covering the necessary requirements, the application process, and more. To become an Instacart shopper, there are several requirements you'll need to meet. You must be at least 18 years old and legally eligible to work in the US. A smartphone is also necessary along with the Instacart Shopper app. The ability to lift 40 pounds without accommodation is required, and if you're aiming to be a full-service shopper, you'll need to be able to lift 50 pounds. For full-service shoppers, having a vehicle and a valid driver's license is also essential. Instacart simplifies the sign-up process through its app, guiding you through each step to become a shopper. To begin, the first thing you need to do is download the Instacart Shopper app on your smartphone. You can find the app in the App Store if you have an iPhone or on Google Play for Android phones. Alternatively, you can go to the download page on Instacart's website where you can enter your phone number. Once you do this, Instacart sends you a text with a link to download the app directly to your phone. After downloading the Instacart Shopper app, the next step is to check if there are openings for shoppers in your area. Open the app and enter your zip code, which will inform you as to whether or not there are available slots for either full service or in-store shoppers. If your area currently doesn't have openings, don't be discouraged. You can always check back in a few weeks or months to see if new opportunities have become available. The next step in becoming an Instacart shopper is to create your account. Go to the Instacart sign-up page and provide your details, including your name, phone number, email, and zip code. If you have a referral code, make sure to enter that as well. If you don't already have a referral code, it's worth searching for one online. Using a referral code when signing up could make you eligible for a bonus. While it's not guaranteed, it is an opportunity worth exploring. A simple Google search could reveal referral codes shared by others. After entering your details, you'll need to decide whether you want to be a full-service shopper or an in-store shopper and complete a questionnaire to confirm that you meet Instacart's requirements. A photo of yourself is required, and for full-service shoppers, a snapshot of your driver's license is also needed. You may also need to give information about your vehicle, such as the license plate number, car model and make, and other vehicle or registration details, and insurance information. After you've submitted all your information, Instacart will conduct a background check. The duration of the process can vary. Although Instacart describes its check as quick, there are many reports suggesting they can take up to 10 days. If you find yourself getting impatient or just curious about the process, you can conveniently check the status of your application through the Instacart Shopper app. This way, you can stay updated on where you stand in the application process. Once your application is approved, Instacart will notify you with an email detailing the next steps. If you've chosen to be a full-service shopper, you'll begin receiving orders as soon as your account is approved. You can start accepting and fulfilling these orders based on your availability preference. For those who have opted to become an in-store shopper, there's an additional step of attending an in-person onboarding session. This is part of the completion of the sign-up process. Instacart will provide you with all the necessary information on how to schedule and attend this meeting. This session is essential to get you fully set up and ready to start your Instacart shopping role. And that's a wrap on our guide on how to become an Instacart shopper. Whether you're aiming to be a full-service or in-store shopper, you now have the knowledge to get started. For more information and additional side hustle opportunities, you can check us out at sidehustles.com. Links are provided, as always, in the description below. With that, I'm Cece, and I'll see you next time.